Trigger warning. Sexual assault and anyone who feels like their body has never truly been theirs. Imagine being shot. The gunman, unknowing of his potential trauma, shoots. Bullet penetrating skin, entering and exiting without consent. My body, a victim. What is a body if not victim? What is a victim if not infiltrated? Did the bullet ask? Did the gun allow? The bullet cannot understand entering and exiting without the consent. To enter my body in ignorance, that damage may not be seen, but that shit still burns. What if the bullet doesn't exit my body? The evidence is left, trapped, hoarded inside my body. The bullet's effects grow. It sprouts leaves and vines, tangle my speech, tangle my mind, tangle the heartstrings that wrap around my inherent desire to deny the self-love I deserve. These vines tighten, I can't breathe, tighten, emotions woven into my skin, tighten, what is my body if not tortured, tighten, tears wrung out by my nature of trauma bottling up, being forced to forcefully drink the sorrows of my sexual trauma. When the bullet entered my body, I knew I was shot. But when the rapist entered my home, I said, welcome. So I lifted my bitch bottle and drank.